Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Here with the latest on Hurricane Laura, still maintaining Category 3 status as of the 11 a.m. advisory. However, it is a high-end Category 3 hurricane, just shy of Category 4, which it is forecast to upgrade to sometime this afternoon. This storm has continued to strengthen just very quickly throughout the morning. And there's a couple of things concerning with this. One, I mean, the sheer size of it. It's over 400 miles wide in diameter, but the eye, you might have noticed earlier today, it was perfectly circle. Now what we're looking at is you almost get these mini rotations inside of here. We call those mesovortices inside the eye wall. So basically they're mini eyes inside of the larger eye that makes up the center of this storm. And the issue with that is that you can have wind speeds 10% higher than what you would find in the eye wall in those smaller vortices within this eye, and that also will help strengthen this storm if they merge together. So we are expecting strengthening of Hurricane Laura as we head through the next few hours to become a Category 4 storm as it gets very close to the Gulf Coast. Now, from the 11 a.m. advisory, expected to have winds of 145 miles per hour. Earlier this morning, we were thinking it would cap somewhere around 130 miles per hour. Now we're thinking it's going to strengthen even more. It will maintain Category 1 hurricane status as it makes its way inland and quickly fall apart as it heads towards Arkansas. However, now it looks like it will maintain tropical storm status as it moves through Arkansas. So now we're looking at tropical storm force conditions spreading even further inland than earlier anticipated. However, it will continue to fall apart as it pushes off the East Coast, could potentially re-strengthen to tropical storm force winds, to carrying tropical storm force winds as it moves off the Atlantic coastline. In the meantime, it will bring a lot of rain, though, to parts of the Midwest and also parts of the Southeast. Wind obviously going to be a huge threat with this system. As early as 6 o'clock tonight, which is what you're looking at right now, could see tropical storm force wind gusts along the Gulf Coast, and we'll see the highest wind gust values as we head towards 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, gusting as high as 127. That's at least what the Euro is saying in places like Lake Charles. On top of that, we're also dealing with storm surge. The National Hurricane Center, they have some key messages in their discussions that they send out about these storms throughout the morning, afternoon, and evening. And the latest message from the National Hurricane Center said unsurvivable storm surge is possible along the coast. So hopefully, if you have any family, friends along the Gulf Coast, that they are heeding the evacuation orders that are in place along the coast. The storm again will continue to ride up through Texas and Louisiana, between Texas and Louisiana into Arkansas, where they could potentially see close to hurricane force wind gusts up towards Little Rock, Arkansas. But by and large, we're going to see, once this storm starts to weaken, mainly the more widespread tropical storm force threat. Rainfall, that's going to be a huge issue. Flooding along the coast, 3 to 10 inches plus, maybe upwards of a foot of rain along the coast. And then you factor in that storm surge, where we could see storm surge between 9 to 15 feet between the Louisiana and Texas border here. So, of course, we will continue to update you on now major Category 3 Hurricane Laura, both on air and online on 13 WMAZ.